Namhlanje kuseni bekuwumcimbi omuncu futhi noyinjabulo esikoleni iMoletsane Secondary School njengoba inhlangano eyalabo abakade bengabafundi besikole yavula ngokusemthethweni ilebhu yesayensi elungiswe kabusha yokuhlonipha abafundi ababili bakudala abalahlekelwa yimpilo zabo ngesikhathi sezibhelu zaseSoweto ngonyaka ka-1976. Inhlangano yahlela imicimbi yahlukahlukene yokuqoqwa kwezimali ukuze kuxhaswe lo msebenzi yashintshwa kwase kugcwele amagundane kwabe indawo efanele yokudlala ivumela abafundi ukuthi benze ucwaningo.
Abuyisele esikoleni abebefunda kuso ngokulungisa igumbi lesayensi abenhlangano iMoletsane Secondary Alumni Association. Ovela-ke kule nhlangano uthi bakhumbula-ke ozakwabo abadlula emhlabeni kodlame lweSoweto Uprising.
When we come here, we are nostalgic about the classrooms that we're in. Like I did my matric in 1984 in room 17, and we were the science class there, and we're very proud of it. So this has been a labor of love for us. We worked with the school. As I said, they took care of upgrades to the infrastructure. We completed.
Kusenjalo ophethe umnyango wezesayensi kulesi sikole uthi ke lokhu kuzobathula umthwalo wekuswela igumbi lesayensi.
Our school is big, around about 1,400 learners. So 1,400 learners for only one science lab, yeah, is a challenge. And then number yabana community classing is about 40. So 40 learners for one lab yeyona challenge yona.
Kanti ke uzakwabo befunda namaqhawe asekobandayo ulandise kanjena.
We are delighted at the work that has been done so that we can give back to the community, we can give back to the school, and we can give the young boys and girls the confidence to improve their performance and give them a lab where they can become their best. On my side was to give them a lab that they can not only learn about science for grade 12 or 11, but beyond that.
iMoletsane Secondary ingxenye yezikole eziphasa ngamalengiso uma kubhekwa imiphumela kamatikuletsheni eSoweto, kanti isikole esinomlando njengoba bekufunda kuso ababili ababa ngamaqhawe ngo-1976. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngiseMoletsane.